lahat sa ating media friends and vloggers that are invited here. So, good afternoon to everybody. And in behalf of Honda Philippines Incorporated, we are very grateful, of course, to K. Cervico family headed by their president, Ms. Grace Badinget, ma'am. Thank you po. And to Home Credit, headed by their CSO, Mr. Punit Suneja. So, thank you, sir, for inviting us here in this event. So, kami po sa Honda, we are very excited because K. Cervico, one of our strongest dealers nationwide, no, for everybody's appreciation, K. Cervico posted tremendous growth for Honda last year. They opened several shops, and we are continuously collaborating with K. Cervico and planning on how to further expand our partnership and to serve more customers here in Luzon. And now they're joining forces with Home Credit, not just the Philippines' biggest financing company, but on an international level, Home Credit is a very big financing institution. So kami po sa Honda, we are very excited because the 1-minute approval is a game-changing approach to financing in the motorcycle industry. So, isa lang ang tanong namin, ma'am, baka mamaya ubusin nyo na yung stock namin. So, can we supply if you do the 1-minute approval? So, that's our challenge. So, Ma'am Grace and her team might be asking more units from us. Not just from us, but also from the other suppliers as well. So, again, thank you very much, ma'am, sir, and hopefully, not hopefully, because I know that this will be very successful. So when the time comes, maybe you will have another celebration celebrating the new milestones that you will set, and hopefully you will invite us again. Thank you.